Welcome to our video on best fishing gear for every angler: top rods, alarms, and tackle for freshwater and saltwater fishing. If you're passionate about fishing, whether it's in freshwater or saltwater, having the right gear is crucial to your success and enjoyment. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Goture Red Fox Tenkara Rod. The Goture Red Fox Hand Tenkara Rod is an ultralight, carbon fiber fishing rod that's perfect for anglers looking for versatility in their fishing gear. With a length range of 3.0 to 7.2 meters, this rod is ideal for a variety of fishing environments, from small streams to larger reservoirs. Made from high-density carbon fiber, the Red Fox rod is built to offer exceptional strength and resilience, ensuring that you can fish with confidence. The advanced X-type torsional fiber layout enhances torsional rigidity, providing superior performance even when you're reeling in bigger fish. The ergonomic nylon-braided handle offers both comfort and ventilation, making it a joy to use for long fishing sessions. Whether you're targeting carp or smaller fish species, this rod will help you achieve a successful catch. Number 4. Carp Fishing Bite Alarm Set. For serious carp anglers, the Carp Fishing Bite Alarm and Swinger Set is a must-have. This set includes 3 bite alarms and swingers, designed to provide reliable notifications when a fish bites your bait. One of the standout features is the water-resistant blue LED lights, which make it perfect for night fishing or rainy conditions. The alarms allow you to adjust the tone, volume, and sensitivity to match your personal preferences. The 2.5mm jack socket enables you to connect the LED swinger for enhanced visibility, ensuring you never miss a bite. Arriving in a durable PU box, your fishing gear is protected during transport, and with a 3-year warranty, you can be confident in the longevity and reliability of the product. This set makes fishing more convenient, helping you focus on the experience while staying alert to any potential catches. Number 3. Lure Fishing Rod. The Lure Fishing Rod is perfect for those who enjoy targeting bigger fish in various fishing environments, from rivers to oceans. Available in lengths of 2.14m, 2.28m, and 2.40m, this rod is made of high-quality carbon material that ensures both strength and sensitivity. The fast action and super hard construction make it ideal for jerkbait fishing, allowing you to cast with precision and control. With a power rating of XH and XXH, this rod is built to handle big game fish, making it a great choice for ocean boat fishing, lake fishing, and even stream fishing. Whether you're casting from the shore or a boat, the Lure Fishing Rod provides the durability and performance you need to succeed in your fishing adventures. Number 2. Electronic Fishing Bite Alarm. The Electronic Fishing Bite Alarm is a game-changer for anglers who fish at night or in low-visibility conditions. This compact, easy-to-carry device attaches to your fishing rod and features both sound and light alerts, ensuring that you'll never miss a fish bite. The alarm sound can reach up to 80 decibels, allowing you to hear it clearly from a distance, even if you're occupied with other tasks. The bright flash is visible from up to 150 meters, which is particularly useful for night fishing or in murky waters. This alarm is designed to be gentle on your fishing line, ensuring that no damage is done while it's in use. It's incredibly easy to clip onto your fishing rod, and its small size makes it perfect for portability. If you're an avid night fisherman or simply want extra help staying aware of your catches, this fishing bite alarm is an essential addition to your tackle box. Number 1. JK Rod Egg Fishing Rod Protection. Protecting your fishing rods from damage is crucial, especially if you're transporting them between different locations. The JK Rod Egg Fishing Rod Protection provides the perfect solution for keeping your rods safe. This multifunctional tool is suitable for rods of all sizes and helps shield them from impact during travel or storage. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.